Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today we have a very big sound blasting in the background. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. Anyway, this thing is going out. Yep. Okay, today we're in Modular Ships. We're gonna build an engine. A custom engine. So you're gonna start with the following. You're gonna need any type of regular engine. You can use an in-game engine. Then go to structural pieces and pick out a slope for the size of your engine. I didn't show the small one. I'll show you more tips and tricks later on in the next video, part 2 anyway. Now you could do that for, oh my god, not that. Yeah, sorry. You could do this for bigger engines, but I don't need bigger engines. Honestly, I don't. I need this. Also, I made one mistake. You guys will see that later. Anyway, so we have to go. I keep trying to find the tabs. I'm not that familiar with this, but I know some tips and tricks. So right now, you're gonna need to add a fuel tank connected to more fuel tanks. This is how we make fuel lines. Yeah, it's not balanced at all, but it looks really cool. I promise you guys, it looks cool as gosh. It looks so cool. Okay, it looks so cool. And my brother's here saying whatever the heck skibidi toilet is. Yeah, I don't know what he is here for. He keeps saying whatever the heck skibidi toilet is. Skibidi toilet, Sigma, Ohio, whatever the heck these are.
What the heck?
Yeah, what are these, bruh? Skibidi, Ohio, Sigma toilet. What is that? Anyway, after adding something that looks as ugly as what I made, please remember to add all of this. So first of all, you just start with the basic triangle shape. I can't pronounce and shape. Anyway, over there you can add some designing. I forgot to change the layer. Anyway, I added some design. You guys are probably gonna love this thing. It took me so long to make it. Anyway, I hope you guys are happy with this video. I'm sorry for not posting in a while. It's been kind of hard to post. It's really hard to post actually when your freaking throat is broken. You can't eat. We are Muslims, so and we live in Bangladesh. That's some random info. So I don't know what the heck we have to do. Sorry for the sudden cut, guys. Some extreme mosquitoes are beating me up. Anyways, guys, we are gonna be beating people up today. I'm just kidding. Sorry for screaming that loud. Woo! Yeah, my brother made me do that. He forces me. Anyway, so next you're gonna have to color your engine however you like. Yeah, but it's supposed to be black, but yeah, that's what I color black. Anyway, you can change the color of that. I always do, and I make this white because it's realistic. Then you're gonna hop out of armoring, and then you're gonna go back to normal, and then say what? Okay, then get out of armor later. Stop looking. Now I forgot to add ledges. This just makes it look better. It doesn't change it much. I forgot to add a few things. I just realized it. Yeah, it looks really bad, but at least you guys know it works. Yeah, it very heavily freaks out, but at least it works. It's so cool. Okay, so I can say bye. It's your boy Astro out. Ding dong.